pay with Apple Pay on TikTok Shop. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay with Apple Pay in your TikTok Shop. So first of all you have to do is just open your TikTok account, and after that just simply log into your account with your credentials, and after that just simply go to the profile section from the bottom right corner of your screen, and here just click on the three dot section from the top right corner of your mobile screen, and after that just click on the balance section from the list given below, and here just click on the first coin purchase offer and click on get again. And now you will have the option to add your credit or debit card or redeem code card or Apple Pay card. So in order to pay with your Apple Pay on TikTok Shop, you need to have your Apple Pay cash card handy with you. So just open your Apple Pay cash card and copy the credentials like your Apple Pay cash card number, the expiration date, the CVC code and other details. And once you copy all the information of your Apple Pay cash card, just go to your TikTok account again, and after that just click on the add credit or debit card right here, and after that just simply add your Apple Pay cash card number, the CVC code, expiration date and other details. And once you're done adding the card details, just click on save card, and the amount that you have in your Apple Pay cash card will be added in your TikTok account. And once the account has been added in your TikTok account, just simply come to the home page of your TikTok account, and here on the search bar just search for any keyword. For example, you want to buy perfume here. Usually on the top menu where the videos user sound places has been written, you will be able to see the option called shop, but I don't see the option called shop in my account right now. I have also updated my account but nothing is working. But if you see the option called shop in the list given above here, just simply tap on it, and after that just go ahead and purchase the perfume or any other item that you would want to buy from the TikTok Shop in your device. Just go ahead and do that, and the amount will be deducted from your Apple Pay cash card that you have just added in your TikTok account. So this is basically how you will be able to pay with your Apple Pay on TikTok Shop. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.